Hello, I'm Dr. Lana Fitzgerald-Husek, Associate Medical Officer of Health for York Region. Last week, York Regional Council unanimously voted in favor of the recommendation that our Medical Officer of Health, Dr. Karim Kurji, issue an instruction to operators of enclosed public spaces requiring that they have a policy and appropriate signage to prohibit individuals from entering the premises if such individuals are not wearing a face mask or face covering unless otherwise exempt. This comes into effect on Friday, July 17th. So what does this mean for you? It means that as of July 17th, you'll be required to wear a face covering when entering into one of these premises. We've set up a dedicated webpage at york.ca/mandatory masks, and we encourage individuals and operators of enclosed public spaces to take a look and find out more information, including where and to whom this requirement takes effect and where it doesn't, such as outdoor places or indoor spaces that are not open to the public. It also outlines who may be exempt from this requirement, such as kids under the age of 5, individuals with medical conditions such as breathing difficulties, individuals who need help placing or removing a mask, or those who require an accommodation under the Ontario Human Rights Code. It's important to note that face coverings are not a substitute for good physical distancing and other really important public health measures, such as infection prevention control measures like practicing good hand hygiene and monitoring your health. Together, these measures will help fight the virus back in our communities as we carefully reopen and ease certain other restrictions. Last week, the World Health Organization noted that we're not yet at the peak of this pandemic globally, and there are anticipated second waves that may occur, and this could include in York Region. So it is reassuring that our case counts have gone down in communities and our institutional settings like long-term care homes. However, we maintain our vigilance in terms of monitoring and responding to cases that do arise. And one area of focus that continues are cases and clusters in various workplace settings, including farms. Together, we work and cooperate with business owners, as well as local health units that are neighboring and our provincial partners, so that we can identify the best resources and strategies to both prevent COVID infection in these various workplace settings and respond to any cases or outbreaks that do occur. A few other updates where we're working with our partners include that we are in dialogue with Mackenzie Health Hospital and the Ontario Health regarding the potential establishment of a mobile testing site in Vaughan. As well, we're engaged with our school boards as planning is underway for a safe reopening of schools in the fall for our students. But for now, it's summer, and fresh air and exercise is good for our physical and mental health and well-being. So I encourage you to get outside and to do so safely and enjoy this good weather. You can visit york.ca/COVID-19 and our social media channels for great tips and guidance on how to navigate this safely during COVID times. And I want to thank you. I want to thank you all for your continued vigilance and cooperation with these important public health measures. Please continue to practice your physical distancing with those outside your social circle. Maintain good hand hygiene and wear a face covering. And monitor your health. And if you have symptoms or have been in close contact with a COVID case, please seek assessment and testing from one of our assessment centers. Together, these measures can help protect against the virus in our communities now and in coming months as we look towards a potential second wave. Thank you, stay vigilant, and stay safe.